এই ରିପିଟେସନରେ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଡାକିଥିଲି ତାପରେ just wait for some time. I'm just arranging the paragraph. Thereafter I will dictate within 80 word per minute speed. Para 7 perhaps I had dictated yesterday or in the last passage. Okay, para 8. I think para 8 or para 7. What is para 7? Yes, from para 7 I will dictate. Write down that it is needless to mention here that the constructing agency, that is opposite party number 10, violated the major norms of NHI Act, rules and regulations while constructing the above said National Highway 215 by 20, and it is evident to state here that without completing the construction work, the opposite party number 10 has started a commercial operation on the said road, which is violating the norms of NHI, which states that a project component is only eligible to collect the toll fee on completion of 75% of the project and from the date of collection of such toll, the remaining 25% of the project must be completed within 3 calendar months, full stop. But in the present case, the constructing agency, that is Gayatri Projects Limited, has already started toll fee collection since last 7 years without completing the aforesaid 75% of the project and is still collecting toll fee in gross defiance of NHI norms, full stop. Again, it is necessary to state that the constructing agency has provided the LOA, letter of award, within bracket letter of award, from the office of the opposite party number 6, which clearly states that the concession period is 24 years, including the construction period of 910 days, within bracket approximately 2.4 months, full stop. But the constructing agency failed to complete, FILD failed to complete the same within the stipulated time, rather started commercial operation by collecting tolls, full stop. The same illegality committed by the opposite party number 10 have been ignored by the government agencies till date, which reflects close nexus between the private respondent and the government agencies. Full stop. Next para 8. That it is necessary to state here that one information under RTI was obtained by one Ashirvad Behera under RTI Act 2005, valid RTI dated 7/1/2021, which consists of information regarding concession agreement between the NHAI and constructing agency pertaining to the National Highway number 215/20 and a distance between Hasanpur toll gate and Dhenkikot, DHENKI, Dhenkikot toll gate, full stop. That from the above stated RTI, the present informant came to know that the constructing agency failed to appreciate the statutory norms enshrined under Rule 5 of National Highway fee determination, rate and collection amendment rules 2010, full stop. The said rules states that, inverted comma start, while computing the fee for a section of a national highway of which such bypass forms a part, the length such bypass shall be excluded from the length of such section of national highway, inverted comma close, full stop. But in the present case, the constructing agency on its concession agreement dated 28/9/2011 at its Schedule R, SCHEDULE, Schedule R, capital R, mentioned that the fee levied and collected hereunder shall be due and payable at the following bypasses for the distance specified for each such bypasses, full stop. Jajpur bypass of about 6.45 kilometers, Anandapur bypass about 3.5 kilometers, Ghotaga bypass about 4.2 kilometers, Keonjhar bypass about 15.65 kilometers, Junpur bypass about 3.0 kilometers, full stop. Such illegal fee collection for constructing bypasses is illegal, arbitrary, unauthorized and beyond the statutory norms, full stop. If the same is sustained, it will be highly prejudiced to the general public at large, full stop. For the same illegal action committed by the constructing agency, the said agency is solely held responsible, full stop. Para. That it is again most relevant to state here that on the said Just wait for a while. On the said RTI, it is evident that at its page number 290, one letter was annexed, which is provided by Office of the PCCF capital PCCF within bracket wildlife 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 and chief wildlife warden, Odisha 2 TO2 project director National Highway Authority of India by their letter number 6536 dated 17/10/2007, highlighting therein that during the construction of 4/6 laning between Panikoili to Rimuli section NH 215/20, the project director need to follow NWD needed to follow the following measures pertaining to the essential safeguard mitigative measures to be adopted as part of the project implementation. Among them, the highlighted issues are A. Sapara number A. Construction of 5 numbers of elephant underpass. Number B. Construction of 10 numbers of animals underpass within the forested stretches. Next, number C. 26 numbers of livestock and pedestrian underpass. Next, D. 118 numbers of culverts will be made in forested stretches. Or E. 150 numbers of reptile passes will be made in forested stretches, etc. Para. From the above stated concern raised by the PCCF, PCCF are not being followed, BEING are not being followed till date, neither by the user agency nor by the constructing agency. Full stop. Such illegality is gross violation apparent on the face of record, which violating the statutory guidelines and environmental norms. Full stop. For this, the opposite party numbers 6, 10 and 11 should be held responsible and may be directed to complete the aforesaid incomplete national highway in its true spirit. Full stop. Okay. The passage ends here. Thank you, everybody. Now your responsibility and role is to verify the outlines and thereafter transcribe it by your type machine or by your computer. Thank you, everybody.